Hey, how's it going, guys? I've been gone for a while. I have reasons. So, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. The last video that I had showed was that neon sign video. It got a lot of views. I got a lot of subscribers from it and whatever. So thank you guys for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. I'm really glad that you guys enjoyed the video. So I've been out for a little while in a half cast thing, I guess. It's not as bad as what you think. I already went through on this one, and that's kind of the reason why I've been gone here. I've been dealing with carpal tunnel for a while, and so hands would go numb while I'm using stuff. So this is carpal tunnel. A little more extreme than a lot of people think. They normally go in through the hand here. There's a little leftover mark right there. They do the incision here, cut the deal on the wrist there, and then you do a ulnar nerve release. So there's a nerve there apparently that goes through there, and when I bend my elbow, the nerve wants to kind of roll out of those bones. So I just got done with this one, and the 5-pound weight limit was the day I had surgery on this one, which was this last Friday. So it's been crazy. I got 6 weeks to heal on this until the 5-pound limit is up. Basically same procedure on this one. So I haven't been filming a lot. I do apologize, guys. I missed this. I need to get back into it, but physically it's hard to lift things. I have to gain back my strength. But while I'm here into this, I'm going to heal this. So hopefully you guys stay tuned to the channel. I do have a lot of stuff planned for this summer. Again, we got beanies in now. So if y'all are wanting some beanies, go ahead and drop a DM. I can get you to all the info on that. Or if you guys haven't, follow the Facebook page. I always post on there. Try to bring the community together on that page. I'm also using the community tab on the YouTube channel as well. So not sure how that works, but I'm trying. We got more parts in for the international as well. So finally have the cross member. We have all the A-arms, we have the brakes, the spindles. We've got all but the steering rack and the bags. So it's coming close. We're super close to doing the front end, and I'm excited for that. So I've missed a couple car shows as of right now. There's 3 that I have missed. I think the next one that I will be going to, because I should have this off, and I'm gonna try my damnedest. We're gonna go to the Highway Creepers car show. It's 420 or the Saturday after 420. Regardless, it's coming up this month, I believe. So we need to go see that one. And then Wheel Hub Magazine is putting one on in Speedway, which is Lincoln, Nebraska, the capital of Nebraska here. But that's gonna be a good show, their first annual. So we will get onto that one. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. It's been a bit of a struggle, so I'm gonna go back inside, rest up, get the video up to you guys, and just continue making plans and getting these things going. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate the views. I'm not forgetting about you, and it's unfortunate life happens. So take care. I'm Blake. This is 90.91. Have a good day.